Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola and I do all products. And of course, this is the best time for you to also shop from us because our sales is happening February 24th to 25th. Anyways, so you guys know I sell skincare products and I always get requests from you guys about asking for my oil and stuff. So I sold this oil to this particular customer, that's the Total Repair Body Oil, and then like less than 2 days after, she sent me a message and she was like, I'm reacting to one of the products and I can't tell which of it. And I was confused because I'm really particular about my formulations and how I formulate and stuff. And then we started digging deep and asking questions back and forth, and it turns out that, guess what, she was allergic to jojoba oil. Who would have thought that somebody can be allergic to jojoba oil? Apparently there is an article that shows that quite a little bit, a percentage of the world's population are allergic to really weird things, and that includes a very popular oil like jojoba oil. And that is not an insult to a customer, it just shows that that is the peculiarity of your skin, of our skin. And that brings me to you also, you need to understand the peculiarity of your skin. Are you the type of person that if you use black soap it just tends to itch you all over? Do not bother to buy black soap next time. Are you the kind of person that, me personally, I cannot use anything antiseptic? Like if you give me Dettol, Septol, anything that has to do with antiseptic, my skin naturally just reacts to it and it just feels uncomfortable. That can be the reason why your skin is dull, dry, chapped, and just unattractive. So you need to find out what the peculiarity of your skin is and how to navigate that entire process. List out all the ingredients in a typical skincare active or product or formulation that you always react to. If you react to jojoba or if you react to quite a lot of things, always have it at the back of your mind. And when you're about to buy a product, just tell the skincare person or the vendor and say, okay, I react to quite a list of products, and you just list it so that they will be giving you a guided purchase. Okay, they will be attending to your purchase from a guided perspective. The second thing is this: maybe because you are not resting, or is due to internal factors happening inside of you. Usually during menstruation for women, we have things called pimples, and quite a lot of things accompany that. It might be due to that. Quite a lot of things can influence the reason why your skin is just dry and dull. And a lot of people, research has shown that people who eat more fruits, fibers, vegetables naturally have even popping, glowing, luminous skin. It is just research. Why? Because there's a relationship between what you eat and how your skin ends up looking. You can't feast on carbonated drinks, junk food, shawarma, donuts, meat pie, everything that is not right for your skin, processed food, saturated fats and cholesterol, and expect your skin to glow or to have a natural luminosity to it. It doesn't work that way. So naturally, what you eat, your rest patterns, your diet influences how your skin is going to look. This is why a lot of people say things like, I got the product, is not working for me. Sis got the product, but sis has not been sleeping for 6 to 8 hours. Sis got the product, but sis has not been eating right. Sis got the product, but sis has not just been doing every other thing the way she's supposed to do it. So also note that particular factor. The third reason is this: maybe because your skincare products do not have enough moisturizing ingredients inside of it. On this channel, our core factor is this: we always make sure that we moisturize. We always make sure that we embrace hydration. It is really, really important. Quite a lot of people just buy skincare actives and they don't take note of things like essence, gels, hydration, okay, hyaluronic acid, ingredients that add moisture to the skin. They just assume if I have my bath, maybe there is water and stuff on my skin will fix it. No, it doesn't work that way. If you want your skin to have a natural bounce, a natural plumpness, a natural glow to it, you need to make sure that you're adding moisturizing products into your skincare routine. And that can be in the form of your body lotion, that can be in the form of your toner, that can be in the form of your essences, that can be in the form of aloe vera gel, that can be in the form of even your scrub. There are some scrubs or skincare products that don't strip the skin of moisture but do their work properly. So if you're dealing with dry, chapped, dull skin, these are some of the things you also need to take note of. In fact, let me give you guys inside gist. Asians are known to have really, really beautiful skin. And if you examine any of their skincare routine, or if you watch any of their ads on skincare, you can see the model always lavishing something that has to do with moisture, maybe on her face or just on her body. And it is key. The skin is made up of water and oil and all of those things. So you restoring moisture back to your skin will also ensure that your skin has a natural bounce, elasticity, and just a bit of glow to it. It is really, really important that you take note of it. Now that we've covered all the other factors, let's talk about what a typical body care ritual, and I mean routine. When I say ritual, a ritual is just something that you follow consistently without shaking to the left or right. Okay, so now let's talk about what a typical body ritual is going to be for you if you are dealing with dry, chapped, dull skin. Note that first of all, you need to understand the climate where you are in. Now, I have a lot of subscribers who are in Germany, UK, US, and you guys watch my videos. Sometimes you send me questions and say, okay, I just want you to recommend what will work for me. No, I operate a do-it-yourself because I believe if you have knowledge, nobody can take it away from you. Even if I don't post videos, maybe in future or something happens and I'm not in this line of work, you would be able to help yourself because that knowledge cannot be removed from you. Now, how do you shop for the right skincare products when you have dull, dry skin? The first thing is this: you need to understand the climates that you're in. Now, I live in the tropics. Tropics means Africa, Nigeria, where there is a lot of sunshine. We have more of summer here than any other thing, rain and all of that. Our skin condition is going to be different from those who are living abroad, those who stay in Canada, UK, US, for example. Do you understand? Because the climatic condition is not the same thing. You also need to factor that into the equation when you're buying your skincare product, okay? Now, those who stay in Nigeria, for example, when you're following a body care ritual or you're buying products, you might not need to use ingredients like body butters. Why? Because a body oil will do the same thing that a body butter will do, but without giving you so much greasiness. Why? Because if you stay in Nigeria, the sun is really harsh here. It's quite hot here. So if you use a butter, it might be too thick and too greasy for your skin. However, if you stay in a place like Canada, the UK, the US, where it's quite cold, imagine you using a body butter. You don't have high sun exposure there, okay? And your skin is just going to love that lavishness of butter on the surface, and it will just help to lock in more moisture than usual. Do you understand the disparity between what I've just described to you? So you also need to think about that when you're shopping for your skincare products, especially if your skin is dry, dull, and chapped. The second thing is this: when you're choosing a product, make sure that you look out for key ingredients like vitamin E, okay, and essences like maybe aloe vera gel. They are very, very important because naturally those key ingredients help to just lavish the skin with moisture and help to also maintain the skin's moisture barrier. The key reason and the key factor that influences how glowy and how dewy your skin is going to feel and look is if it is properly moisturized. Okay, so now let me describe what your typical body ritual is going to look like. So you want to start with a body gel. Now, if your skin is dry and dull, you want to use a body gel instead of a soap. Why? Because body gels and body washes have more of moisturizing content inside it, better than a soap that is just in a bar form. Makes sense? Instead of a lotion, a cream is a thicker formula of a lotion because it tends to stay not just on the surface of your skin, it will penetrate into the skin, but also what even out your skin tone and will also what lock up the moisture on your skin. Meanwhile, if you use just a normal lotion, a lotion disappears quickly into your skin surface, and by the time you leave your house, you're wondering, why is my skin already dry? So that depends on where you also stay. You might have to choose a cream instead of a lotion, or a lotion instead of a cream, but you need to understand the disparities between those two things. Third is this: body oil or body butter. Remember what I said, if you stay in the tropics or in places that are hot, you want to use oils. Why? Because they will just sink into the surface of your skin or moisturize your skin and just even out your skin tone without helping you to feel greasy or sweaty or all that. Meanwhile, if you stay in a place that's relatively cold, chilly, and moisture tends to escape your skin easily because of the chill of the weather, you want to use body butters. Now, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I hope I was able to help somebody who is having a difficult time just shopping for skincare products, especially because they stay abroad and especially because they're experiencing issues like dryness, dullness, and just your skin is not just giving you that glow that you want to get. So these are the things that will really, really help you and help you to choose the right skincare products and also help you to get the right results with your skincare routine. That was a lot, right? That was a lot. Now let's have a recap. Let me recap on everything that I just told you guys. The first thing is this: you want to make sure your skin is not reacting to any product, formulation, ingredients, or even anything like food or stuff. Second thing is this: you want to include fruits, veggies, fibers, and quite a lot of things in your diet. Third thing is this: you want to make sure that you are resting properly, and you want to make sure that your skincare products has enough moisturizing factors and ingredients inside of it. Lastly, you want to also take note of the climate that you currently reside in helping you to choose the kind of products that you should buy for your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from. I want to get to know you guys more. Let me know where you are watching me from. Hi Eniola, I'm from the UK, and thank you so much for this video. I'm definitely going to be buying a body butter instead of a body oil because that's what you need, sis. That is what you need. Lastly, please, before I forget, nothing works without exfoliation and sun protection. Just take note, with whether you're here in Nigeria or you're abroad, you want to make sure that you're using your sunscreen, and you also want to make sure that you're exfoliating at least twice a week. I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Bye for now.